Oh, from one sweaty gal to another. Let us just embrace all the summer struggles we have to deal with. We have to deal with the heat. And the heat gives us the sweaty thighs and the sweaty palms and the sweaty feet. And, you know, if you have big boobs, you got the sweaty, you know, and then you have the sweaty, you know where. So we called in the one and only Dr. Shelly Ann Weeks, the founder of the Herflow Foundation, to help us out with the sweat. Good morning, my darling. Yes, you are known as the period lady.
Yes.
You are known as the lady with the Herflow, the lady who walks around with underwear and
pad
pads
and
tampons in
Good
her
morning,
bag.
and I'm wearing my period glasses this morning too. Yes, you
Oh,
know we
wow.
are still ending period poverty. It's always continuous because it's
Wow.
a problem that we have to fix.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. I
Yes.
didn't know you had those.
No, I
specific
always
glasses.
represent. You have to represent, you know, fashion
Fantastic.
and stuff. Yes.
All right. Well, the culture that we have is
Yeah.
not to talk about these kind of things. We don't talk about sweat. We don't talk about where females sweat. We don't talk about any of those things.
No,
because
and
we're
just and the fact
taught
that
to keep
women
to ourselves.
experience sweat.
Yeah, we're
in
not
a very
taught.
unique way.
Yeah, we're not taught to talk about
Yes,
those
man.
things.
Parts of our bodies
Right.
sweat, and it becomes very inconvenient and uncomfortable, and sometimes it don't smell so well. You know?
Right.
That's a
So
problem too.
during this period in time, which is summer, where Jamaican women go through it,
Yes.
how do we attack it? Where do we start
Well,
first?
first of all, there are a lot of things that we can do, and there are a lot of things that we do that actually adds to our discomfort. So
Let's talk about
take
that
away
first.
a lot of the clutter and things.
Yes.
One of the things that we do that add to our discomfort is that we carry around a lot of things, other extra things. How big is your handbag?
Let's not have that conversation.
Okay, all right. Well, I realized that I used to carry on a handbag, and the other day I went to my handbag and I realized that I have 3 pack of wipes, 6 panty, I have 2 umbrella, I have 3 buckler lotion. Because what happens is, you have a buckler lotion, you can't find it, you
And
just
you
buy
just
and
throw
put
another
another
one.
one in
Yeah.
there. And then when you empty out everything, you realize you're lugging around a lot of things that you really don't need and
how
you
does
don't
that
use.
lugging give us?
Okay, well, first of all, the shoulder
weight.
something, the weight down, and then we are sweating under our arms, so that just adds to all of that. And really and truly, it's really uncomfortable to carry around all of that weight. So I'm saying, ladies, ditch the big handbag for the summer. Get a little pouch. I have a little pouch that I walk up on. Sorry, I never bring it over
Yeah,
here.
but do you have enough space in the pouch to keep
Yes.
everything?
What do
that
you?
need?
What, everything that you need,
My
like
bag.
what? What do
Okay,
you need?
Dwayne, listen, I'm not even going to have
No,
Dwayne
we're
come
not.
to this
No,
conversation about
because
my
I want to
handbag.
get to another tip.
Right. But so what do you need? What do I need to walk around with? What do you need to have in that pouch?
Well, first of all, you know, we always need to have like a little pack of wipes or maybe a little pack of tissue. Maybe we can still have those things, you know, but we don't need to carry
Just
the jumbo
carry the
pack.
small
Carry the
version.
little flat pack, right? So we still have the necessities, but just carry it in a smaller pack. So you can
Okay.
get a smaller bag. One of the things that I really want to talk about, and this is my favorite forte period daily here, is undies, panties. I was supposed to bring panties this morning. I apologize, I did not bring the panties, but you all know what I'm talking about. Breathable, think breathable.
Cotton.
Yes, not just cotton. You have bamboo, you have hemp. Bamboo and hemp is a little bit more expensive, but it's available and it's an option. And you have different styles with the comfort as well. So you don't have to think about, oh gosh, I'm going to go cotton and wear this big bingo baggy. No, you don't have to worry about that. You can actually find stylish, comfortable, breathable underwear.
that's important
But it
because
is
it stops you from
important
sweating.
because, not just the sweating. Remember that in this climate, all of us sweat between our thighs, right? So the sweating is there, but it creates a hot, warm, moist area for bacteria to grow.
Yeah.
And we can get yeast infections.
Yes.
And a lot of people don't understand that that is something that women in the Caribbean really have to battle with. So if you really want to help yourself, think breathable. And hey, feel free to go commando every once in a while, man.
I knew
come
that
on,
was
this time
coming.
hot.
How
You
did
know,
I know
you're
that
not
was-
encouraged. And plus, it's less laundry and have to buy soap. Save a tree. I'm just saying, it's good for the environment.
I
Go
knew
commando.
that was coming. All right. So what about stinky feet?
Stinky feet. Now, one of the things that I really recommend, I see men are doing it where they're putting on their shoes without a sock. Stop do that, please. I know some of the shoes are nice and fashionable, but when they take on the sweaty toes out of that shoes, it don't smell good. Not take off on the clothes from on the shoes from outside.
So wear socks.
So wear socks.
If you're wearing
If you're
closed
gonna
shoes.
wear closed shoes, and you have the little ankle
Yeah.
things that if you don't want it to show, cause you know it's fashion, it have to look good too.
Right.
So you have the little ankle
Toe
socks that
socks,
you
they
can wear.
call them.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And so you can get those, so you don't have to worry about the long socks if you don't want your socks to show.
Right.
But please don't wear your closed shoes without any socks, especially if you sweat on your feet, because some of us have sweaty feet.
Would you recommend now during the summer that men and women wear a lot of slippers or open toe
Yes,
shoes?
man, open toe shoes is in. And there are a lot of nice, cute, fashionable, awesome open toe shoes. So definitely go with the open toe shoe. And please don't be afraid of a pedicure.
Okay.
Oh, no, self.
They're done today. You can't say anything to me. All right. So what about regular clothing? Like this material is so cool. Like it's cotton,
man.
but then the spandex was very thin and it gives you.
Well, you know, I'm a very big fan of breezy and flowy,
out,
and I
yeah.
love the little dress and the romper.
Yes.
The little dress and the romper is the best friend for the summer. It's one thing you have to put on, and you put it on. It's easy breezy, good, easy
And
to
it's
go.
not tight.
And it's not tight.
Let's try
and
to do it with the
as a
tight
matter of fact,
jeans.
let us talk about the tight.
Okay.
For all the public service announcement. This is my camera right here, sir. Yes. For all the ladies who are wearing waist trainers and things on the clothes all day, please allow yourself to breathe. I'll release the belly little, you know. Take a deep breath. Fill your lungs with air comfortably. It will make a very big difference in your comfort level and the sweat, because there's a lot of sweating going on underneath those waist trainers. And trust me, there's a lot of bacteria building
And
up.
it smells.
And it don't smell nice.
It smells.
So I'm saying allow yourself to breathe. Take a good...
All right. We only have time for one more tip. So what's it gonna be?
Snack on fruits.
Okay.
Snack on fruits, hydrate. Get it nice and cool and snack on it and hydrate. All we're going throughout the day is a lot of stuff that we run around doing. Sometimes we don't have time to stop and buy food. Snack on fruits. All fruits, right? We live in Jamaica.
And not sugar
Pineapple,
stuff.
all of these things is out there. Mango season. So snack on fruits and hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Trust me, hydration is not just good for keeping you cool. It keeps everywhere moist.
Yes, and
And you know, moisture is important.
I cannot with you, Shani. I really cannot with you. But guys, every time she comes here, it's always a blast. Thank you so much for telling us about what we need to do.
Very,
And of
very
course, support
much.
the Her Flow Foundation.
Without a doubt, follow us on Her Flow social media. Lots of things going on, so definitely follow that space.
All right, make sure you